Need to update your Xfinity Wi-Fi password? It's easy to do using either the Xfinity app or the Xfinity website. Both methods allow you to create a stronger, more secure password to protect your home network. This will also work for Rogers Ignite if you substitute the Rogers app or website instead of Xfinity. First, let's use the Xfinity app, available on iOS and Android. Open the app and log in with your Xfinity ID and password. Navigate to the Wi-Fi or network section, usually under Account or Internet. Select your Wi-Fi network, then choose Change Wi-Fi Password or Edit Network Settings. Enter your new password, making sure it's 8 to 63 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Save the changes, and your devices may need to reconnect. Alternatively, you can use the Xfinity website. Go to xfinity.com and sign into your account. Click on Internet or My Account, then Wi-Fi or Manage Internet. Select Change Wi-Fi Password and input your new password. Confirm the changes and reboot your gateway or router if prompted. For Rogers Ignite, use the Rogers app or log into My Rogers and find the Wi-Fi settings.